Tulugon ko eh. I am paying. Ay, halos ba lahat? Oo nga, pag humina, parang lahat, halos naman lahat humina yata. Hindi ako nakabisita sa iba. Nakabisita ka ba sa iba? Mag-live lang ako ngayon ng 1 hour, tapos patayin ko na, tapos maya ulit pag nagising ako. Hanggang ano lang yung tao ko, hanggang 20, tapos bababa. Sige lang, katulad yata to dati. Dati ganun lang din humihina. Yung ano pa ako nun eh. 16k subscribers at ako nun. Tapos ikaw 10 or 9 ba? Wala rin tao sa mga live. Tapos bumabalik man din. Siguro si Susiso lang talaga. Tisha, you're seriously not married. I don't want to marry. My goodness. Because it's only give me headache. Sakit sa ulo. Siguro season na lang. Sakit sa ulo, mirits. Ay. Maganda lang yung single, wala mang pakialam sa atin. Ayaw ko pa naman yung pakialaman ako. Kung didiktahan ako, ayaw ko. Gusto ko may sarili akong desisyon. Hello, 15 people. Please like, guys. Give me like or dislike. After marriage, you don't need to work. My goodness, I used to work. I want to have my own money. Ako sis napagod din kasi gumala kanina, naglakad-lakad man din ako dun sa Quiapo. Sorry guys, my foot is dirty. I just came from outside. Everything I can provide you. Okay, give me. My money is your money. Oh, really? You look very hot. Oh my goodness. Yes, exactly. I'm very hot. And now the temperature in my room is hot. My goodness. And also the electric fan, the air that came from the electric fan is so hot. My goodness. Hello, Mohammed Shaheen. How are you, my dear? I miss you. But you not take me seriously. Oh, really? If I'm gonna say come here tomorrow in Philippines, can you come here and marry with me? Come fast, book a ticket and fly tomorrow. Okay, I'm waiting. Who wants to marry with me? Okay, come here. First come, first serve. First come, first serve. Okay? Want to go with her first? Okay, I'm gonna marry. Okay, after marriage, can we live together in India? No, I don't wanna live in India. to marry you, Tisha. This Himanshu Kumar